thought anxiety would change me, but everything that goes up must come down. And every time I think I got it made, I drown. I wish that it were different now, but that's how it's gotta be. So let it rain on me. Let it rain, let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me. Let it rain on me. Just let it rain on me.
Hi Nishka. Wow. This is our shopping day.
You wanna have rice crispy? Or
Sure.
we also have tteokbokki,
Haul.
Lays, cheese lays and seaweed.
ये डिनर है हमारा.
Lightning strikes, so I won't sleep.
So we're going clubbing again second day in a row. हम इतने बिगड़े हुए. But it's okay, like सिंगापुर की नाइट लाइफ देखनी चाहिए. And it's Saturday night. Come on. Of course. Me in my sparkly blingy top and her hot bodycon. Today we are taking AirPods
Oh yeah.
to the club. क्योंकि कल हमें म्यूजिक बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया. It was just house music, no lyrics, no nothing.
No lyrics and we danced for.
And we were literally singing Bollywood songs ऐसे ही चिल्ला रहे थे and doing steps.
And doing the steps.
Yeah, so I want to take my AirPods. So if we don't like the music, Bollywood गाने लगा के we'll just vibe. I don't think I can vlog there because I'm not sure about my
Not
camera.
vlogging for sure. Not vlogging for sure.
What if I lose my camera or something? I will literally kill myself.
I'm not taking my camera because yesterday I had the time of my life. थैले में लेके चलना पड़ा था पूरे क्लब में. Imagine.
इसने यूज भी नहीं किया ना कल कैमरा. See you tomorrow.
Can you see me now? See me now. When I fall back down, will you be around? Be around. You said always if I stay in your head every day, always on my brain.
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, then fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh, yeah. I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear. Oh, yeah. Back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt mist and
Hey guys, so आज का दिन हमें डिज्नीलैंड यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियोज आना था. But I am chilling on a beach club. Here's Nishka, here's me, and here is the page. We're just chilling. हुआ ये कि Nishka and I did not know कि यहाँ का डिज्नीलैंड
मंडे को बंद होता है.
एंड हमारा एक ही दिन बचा था. We were like कि let's you know F it. हम बीच क्लब आ गए. We bought swimsuits आज मॉल से and then just headed to the beach. And everything is just so perfect. There's like a pool outside. We have a bed, $100 for like such a quiet, secluded beach and everything. And we're just gonna have fun for a few hours.
and then amber trees, 'cause it still feels like summer, but it's soaked in nostalgia slowly. All the leaves are turning brown, 'cause it still feels like summer, and I simply don't wanna see the cool wind sneak back in our town. 'Cause we lived when it was all bare feet, tan skin glistening beneath the heat, evening swirl into a bird song beat. God, it's now so very bittersweet, so I guess I'll just put on my favorite sweater and say goodbye to summer. I keep on forgetting times learn how to fly, and before I know it, it passes me by. Oh, I don't know why when life is beautiful I start to fear it'll slip through my fingers and just disappear. Oh, back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt mist and sea, sand